Welcome to Max in a Minute. I'm going to teach you some cool stuff inside 3D Max in 60 seconds. The first thing we need to know is the button for the Layers tab, and it's this button right here. For this exercise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all of these spheres right over there. If I open up the layer with that little arrow over there, you'll see that I've selected all of my spheres. And then press this button right over there that says Create New Layer. The items that are selected will go into the new layer that you're creating. There it is right over there, and then we can hide and unhide that layer. I'm going to use the same button, Create New Layer. It creates an empty layer. We know this because there's no arrow next to it. Now the reason this one is blue is to indicate this is the active layer. We can select items just like this, and then we can select this button right over there which says Add to Active Layer. Everything goes inside that layer. We can select the items just like that. We can click and drag into the actual layer we want and then let go.